Enterprise AI isn't a single technology, it's a convergence. Language understanding, adaptive reasoning, workflow optimization, autonomous decision-making, multi-agent orchestration. When these capabilities stop being disconnected tools and become the way your company operates, that's when transformation actually happens. Bain just published the research. AI isn't just being adopted anymore. It's becoming the operating system of leading organizations, how they design, how they decide, how they deliver. The winners won't just use AI, they'll become intelligent enterprises that are fast, flexible, and responsible. That's the race you're in. But the market's full of traps. Buy a platform, excessive investment, endless pilots that never ship. Buy a product, no strategic alignment, abandoned initiatives. SynaptyX builds differently. 60% ready, agent-enabled building blocks that plug into your stack, under your control. The result? An intelligent enterprise that still feels like yours. We build agent meshes, not solo acts. Planner agents define strategy, worker agents execute tasks, judge agents ensure quality control, quality agents guarantee deterministic output. All with built-in auditability, rollback capabilities, and human-in-the-loop oversight. This is how you build AI systems for regulated enterprises. And we don't worship big models. In production, we pair compact distilled models with knowledge graphs and ontologies, your organizational memory that evolves with you. Big models let you explore, but small models plus graphs let you ship reliably at sensible cost. Production is about sustainable, scalable solutions, not chasing hype. As multi-agent systems scale, governance becomes core. Machine-readable policies, agent identities, registries, live dashboards, so every decision is auditable and safe. Here's the truth nobody wants to say. You cannot scale intelligent services without governance. It's not optional anymore. So if you're reading Bain and McKinsey reports about agentic AI and wondering what this looks like with your data, your legacy systems, your regulators, your timeline, that's exactly the conversation we specialize in. From strategy slides to working systems. Let's talk.